Hello and welcome to the instructor's introduction for the learning unit Light and Color. And also during this learning unit, you'll be doing the midterm exam. So for this learning unit, there is just the weekly quiz and the midterm exam. So let me go over the information for this learning unit. First, of course, review the introduction and kind of talks a little bit about how we have looked at color and used color in art and our perception of the world for, since the beginning of time. But then how it's been represented in art is a little bit different. So this is a great video where it just kind of talks about this wonderful history of art and a couple of other links if you're interested in checking those out. Kind of the activities you're going to want to download and read this article. Of course, there's the weekly quiz and the midterm exam. And this learning unit, there's not a lecture. It's read only. So all you're going to need to do is take your time and go back through after this quick introduction to review the videos and read whatever resources I put together for you. So I've got a summary here along with a 7-minute video that you'll want to watch. Some information about how Pixar uses color and light. So a couple of videos I'd like for you to watch and a few other links as well. Some information about light and shadow and how that's been such an important process for artists when they're working with light, color, and of course their shadow. And so I want you to review this information. And then this is one of the artists from the reading, Dan Flavin, so be sure to check this out. Some terms and definitions for color theory and just these ideas of how artists use color. Another artist, Gerhard Richter, who has really examined these ideas of color and light in his paintings, so some more links to check out. The featured artist is Mary Cassatt. So we've got some really cool links here that do take you off canvas that might be helpful for learning more about Mary Cassatt, and a couple of videos. And our second featured artist for this learning unit is Chuck Close. He's one of my favorite painters who explores the use of color in a really, I think, amazing way. So you're going to want to learn a little bit about him. Check out this video, and there's some more links as well. And then also taken from your reading, this idea of optical mixing, which is something that a lot of painters use, and all the different ways that it's been talked about. Pointillism is something that is a process that painters use. And so here I'm just kind of introducing you to a couple more videos and just ideas about pointillism, photorealism, and contemporary art that kind of specifically point towards these ideas around light and color. And a bunch of helpful links that, again, you can definitely use this to learn more about how artists interact with light and color. All right, well, thank you for listening. Let me know if you have any questions.